We'll guide you through how to turn off call recording on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone, and so you don't want calls to be recorded and you don't like the feature. What we can do is go and turn this off. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this guide. Find the settings app. As you can see, here it is. We want to go and tap on it. Then what we need to do is we need to go and start scrolling down and go and find the option for apps at the bottom like so, and go and find the option for phone. This is alphabetical, so keep scrolling down till we get to P, and here it is. You can always go and search for phone at the bottom. Then we need to go and scroll down and go and find the option for audio call recording, and you can tap there. Go and switch off the feature. As it says, this allows you to use the phone app to record a conversation during the call. So we can turn that off. That's it. The feature will no longer go and be on anymore. And of course, in the future, you can always go back and turn it on again.